Let me show you how I made these calabasitas. They came out so good, and I made them super cheesy, just how we like it here in my household. Whew, look at all that cheese. So if you're looking for a quick and easy meal to make, well, keep watching. Let me show you how I made this. In my pan, I'm adding some olive oil. I'm going to add some onion and some minced garlic. Mix that together. And then I'll be adding in some jalapeños. And for that extra kick, some hatch green chili. Mix that and add some diced tomato. Give that another quick mix. And for the seasonings, it's all up to you. These are the ones I'm using: adobo seasoning, some garlic powder, some pepper, and then I'll be throwing in some chicken nor and some tomato nor. I'm going to mix that again, and then I'm going to add some corn. There's no exact measurements here, guys. You're just going to add as much as you need. And now I'm just dropping in my calabasitas. And as you can see, it's a lot because I'm feeding a lot of people here today. I'm just going to mix that in. And I like my calabasitas to be juicy, so I'm going to add enough water. Just give it another quick mix. I'm going to cover this and let the calabasitas cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, give it another quick mix. And then it's time to add in the cheese. The cheese that I'm using is mozzarella in little squares. And then I'm going to add shredded mozzarella. And I'm also going to be adding in some Oaxaca shredded cheese. You can add the cheese of your choice, whichever the one that you like. And yep, I'm going to add a lot of cheese. Cover this and let this cook for 5 minutes until the cheese is nice and melted and the calabasitas are softened. And I just like to go in with a fork to mix the cheese in. Look at that. Oh, I cannot wait to try this. Tell me that doesn't look good. And did you see how easy that was to make? Like super easy to make. This might not be on the healthy side because of all that cheese, but hey, you can have this once in a while. You can serve this on its own. It's perfect all on its own with some tortillas, maybe. I like to serve mine up with some beans, and today I made some chorizo beans, and actually, that combo was perfect. Now it's time to try this. It's time for the taste test. And me being the one that cooked this, I'm going to be the one to taste it. All that cheese, I just cannot believe how it was just getting in my way, but I didn't care. I'm like, this is going to be good. I know you guys were going to love this. So keep this recipe, save it. Maybe you won't make it, but maybe you will someday. Enjoy.